Hello and welcome back to Mr. Edelman's fantastic math class. Today we're going to start the new chapter on right triangles and trigonometry. And one of those things involved in that is referred to as the geometric mean. It deals with right triangles. So let's read what the geometric mean really does for us. For two positive numbers, a and b, the geometric mean is a positive number x where the proportions a to x equals x to b is true. This proportion can be written using fractions. This is how we're going to use it. A over x equals x over b, or with cross products as x squared equals a times b, or x equals the square root of a times b. So that's basically how we're going to use it. Let me show you some quick examples of how we use this with actual numbers. So let's take a look. And I've got two types of examples for us today. First one is a sort of straightforward one. Find the geometric mean between 2 and 8. Well, first thing you need to do is remember your proportions. And I always write them as a fraction. So we know that a over x equals x over b, where x is the geometric mean and a and b are the two numbers we know. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So this is going to be 2 over x equals x over 8. So if I do some cross multiplying, it's going to be 2 times 8 and x times x. That gets me to 2 times 8 will equal x times x, or 16 equals x squared. Now, because we want to find out what x is and not x squared is, what we need to do is take the square root of both 16 and x squared. So it's going to be the square root of 16 equals the square root of x squared. And the square root of x squared is going to simplify to be just x. And you should know that the square root of 16 is 4. So 4 is the geometric mean between 2 and 8. Let's take a look at another question you might see on homework or a test. So this time they give you the geometric mean. 6 is the geometric mean between 4 and what number? So they're looking for what other number could possibly be the answer. So let's write down our proportion. A over x equals x over b. And that translates in this case, well, we know that x is going to represent our geometric means and a and b are going to represent the two numbers. But in this case, we don't know one of the two numbers, but we do know the geometric mean. So let's start with a. A is going to equal 4. And that's going to be over our geometric mean, which we know, which is 6. And that's going to equal our geometric mean, which we know, x is 6. And we're going to be looking for b. So then, again, I'm going to use the cross product. 4 times b equals 6 times 6. You could simplify here if you want to, but I'm just going to do this as is. So I get 4 times b equals 6 times 6. So 4b equals 36. And I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And so that leaves me with b equals 9. So that tells me that 6 is the geometric mean between the numbers 4 and 9. So that's two ways in which we're going to use the geometric mean. Please watch the next videos to see how else we're going to use it. Thanks so much and have a great day.